Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video channel again. I am Dr. Lockwin. I have a presentation today to share with you the slide and we'll talk about a topic today. And let me go ahead and share this slide right now. All right. Why are we doing this? How everyone doing? Today, again, I'm going to present to you another presentation. The topic over and over again, braces. Why braces? Why braces can change your life. This topic is very important for parents watching this, and for young teenager watching this, and for dental student or dental educator trying to help to convince your patient that a nice smile is a big difference compared to the one that you have been embarrassed and not able to smile. So why is braces important? Why should you get braces? If you have a beautiful smile, why does that change your life? I'm gonna go ahead and start a couple of slides now. Before we jump right in, just want to show you this beautiful photo here. Can you make a guess where this picture is come from? Give you another hint. This is another beautiful picture here from top of the mountain, top of the view, the sky. And lastly is this one picture, same location. If you can make any guess, I would make some comment down below, and I will come back and give you a hint. Okay, and this is another hint. If you seen this somewhere, let me know. Make some comment below. I'll continue those hint as we interact in the YouTube. Now, jump right back into the benefit of have a beautiful smile. Okay, there are two benefit for your life. One is social benefit and the other one is dental benefit. So social benefit include you be more confident when you have a nice smile. You can easily get a job when you grow up. Okay, easy get a job when you grow up. You get a nice smile, you get a job. Most people like your smile. They believe you are nice person. Easy to be welcome, easy to get accepted. So you can, if you get an interview, you get accepted by friend, group of people when you come in. And it's a symbolism of being wealthy, being healthy, being happy. And also it raises you to become high esteem. You feel more confident. That's why you feel you have high esteem. You believe in yourself. You can do things when somebody say you a task that you go out and do something. You're confident. You can talk to people. You can reach out more people, stranger, and you are more attractive compared to other people who have crooked teeth. So socially, it's already you have so much benefit. And dentally, what are the benefit of your dentally? You can eat better. You can chew teeth more efficient. That also help prevent you from having breaking, chipping, cracking teeth. You have less likely you have joint pain here because your teeth is so even. You have less likely have severe grinding. When you don't have perfect teeth, you will grind your teeth because you don't have a guidance. You have less chance of wearing all your cosmetics teeth like veneer, implant, brush, denture. When you have perfect teeth to begin with, you will be able to keep your restoration, dental restoration like crown, veneer, brush, filling, all of those things, 3/4 crown, any kind of prosthetic, you feel if you have a perfect bite, you have less likely you have problem damaging those restoration. And so you have less chance of gum problem, bleeding gum disease. Why? Because when you have straight teeth, you brush easier, your brush bristle can go into between the teeth more, and then the final thing is that your dental restoration lasts longer. So guys, these are the benefits that you should know when you decide you want to commit your investment on a nice Invisalign, clear correct, or regular braces. I don't care, but I know that it will give you socially benefit and dentally benefit. And not only that, you have more healthy body. When you eat well, your body will be more healthy. You chew more efficient, you receive nutrition effectively. So it's so important to recognize that. So I'm slow today, but I want you to understand that. Before we jump in right in, I want to introduce you guys some announcement that we're going to have the Convoy of Hope, which basically a big event happen, supposed to be every year, but since the pandemic, they skip a couple of years. I joined this organization 2019, and I'm hoping to do it again 2022. The event is for medical, dental, and also many other healthcare fair event, and plus a lot of food, a lot of free stuff for patients who come in. So for those of you in healthcare, like dentist, medical doctor, save your day, Saturday, August 13th. Please join me and other thousands of healthcare worker and also social worker. We're gonna get the event outdoor at the Bethel Church in San Jose. This year it's gonna be thousands of people show up, and we're gonna serve them. So please join me. I want to play a quick video that happened. I recorded last 2 years ago, like 2019. So we did last 2 years ago. We did the event on the baseball stadium in San Jose, really big. So check out this quick video before we jump into those dental related stuff. So we came early. We repair thousands of donations come from different places, from different dental supply company. And so we were able to have a lot of material, and I don't want to waste too much time. I'm going to go right in, and you can see that we have a lot of doctor volunteer. We have a lot of patients that receive dental care right on the outdoor open door. A lot of doctor help from surgeon and everyone else. I recommend you guys to join me August 13th again, you guys. Just a quick video. I don't want to waste too much, but join me August 13th this year, okay? So the next event would be also is on of the Northern California Vietnamese Dentist Association. We're gonna have the event this September 18th. That's Sunday. Please join us. I play this video that you can see that this happened this year, actually 2021. So we did it at Vietnam, California. A lot of Vietnamese doctor was involved. Really fun. And I encourage people to join us. Really big event, really big event. So please join me September 18th this year, San Jose. All right, so we jump right in and talk about this case right now, okay? So Look at this picture, you guys. What do you see? The patient put a thumb up because he loves his smile and he's confident. Confident bring him to the next level in his life. So let's see. So this is his before we started his teeth. His bottom teeth were rotated, inclined backward. You can see backward. And his smile is sort of very lack of confidence. But after we finish his teeth, this is the bottom teeth here, these two pictures here on this lower right side, his finished case, beautiful and sexy smile. So he's very confident. He decided to do business major. He's 17 years old. He decided to do business major. You can see how big change. He's happy with his smile. So this is before the picture. Before, it doesn't look too bad, but you can see that the way he smiled, not very confident. But after this, the immediately removing the braces, you can see his nice and perfect smile look like. It helped him self-esteem going up, and he's so happy. Not a case, guys. This is a deep bite case. Okay, this is on the photo on your left screen is the before. The patient have deep bite, enamel, chip, and break. And I can tell you, she was only 16 when we started, and now she's early 16. Now she's finished the case after close to 18. I mean, close to 17. The end of earlier 18, and you can see that after patient have beautiful smile and very confident smile. So this is before and this is after. You can see the big difference. She's so happy, and this is before. Deep bite, cannot smile, can be not be attractive with this smile. But this is after. On your right side, you can see how very, very nice, attractive, and white teeth. You can see confidence show up right away. This is her before. All her upper teeth have space. Bottom teeth also have some space, but the main thing on the bottom is the super eruption of the lower teeth up. You see how the tooth here coming up? So this is after. We see how we lowered her bottom teeth down and leveling the upper. And this is from here before, and this is after. And you can see how straight her teeth. Same thing on the bottom. We straight everything, close all the gap. She was very happy. Here's another case. This patient came, as you can see on this left side, her teeth. When she smiles, she had to restrict her lip because so many teeth showing up, and she's not confident. But as you can see now, after braces, she have a very natural smile and very, very attractive. Now this is before. You can see how crowded her TV is, really crowded, and so many teeth. Now, right after she finished from here, all the way down here is the after. You can see this is top, and before and after, you can see how much improvement. Patient is extremely happy. Confidence can show from here. This is before, this is after. This is before, this is after the side view. Patient happy, gave patient confidence, and she's get a better job and super happy. Here's another case. Patient came with this kind of smile. Chip on front teeth and the bottom teeth is really coming up. Why? Because it's her smile is off. So she need to restore and fix it with beautiful smile, with new smile. What did we do? First thing we have to do is evaluate her mouth, why she chipped her front teeth. And you can see that the reason she chipped her teeth is because the bottom teeth is keep hitting on the top. And the bottom tooth is growing a little bit more than the level of the other back teeth. So that's the reason why in dentistry we call it super erupted. So after we gave the patient the restoration with the composite on here, we recommend patient to get braces. So this is before and this is after. before we upper, and this is after. Everything straight. Really important to straight people, perfect teeth. Then she have, this is before and this is after. So her confidence level is going up. She's really happy and she's very confident. This is before, a lot of space. This is after. This is another case. So this case is spaces. When you have a lot of space on your teeth, imagine how much improvement when you have a tighter, closer smile. All right. So this is before, and this is before. This is top line is before, and this is after. And this is before her smile, this is after. I want to give you guys some idea about what confident smile look like. There's thousands of people, doctor, orthodontists have changed people's smile, but here are those typical cases that I want to show you guys. So anyway, thank you for watching. I want to share this picture. Why? Couple meaning. First, I just want to introduce you. This is the Vietnamese cuisine. Okay, really good. If you want to try it, check out Vietnamese food. You will learn more. This is out of topic. Just want to share some picture. I'm Vietnamese. I'm sharing my culture, traditional food. Thank you for watching my YouTube video channel. If you like, please subscribe, and don't forget to answer the picture of, before of this video that I asked you guys to give me the hint of where that place was. So I'm going to go back really so you can remember, and make some comment and show me if whether you know this place. So this is first picture, same place, you guys, same country. Those are photos that I took during that trip. I want you guys to have an entertain, not just dentistry alone. Comment below if you know where this location is. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.